Welcome to the Northside of Jacksonville. Today, we're reviewing two beautiful homes built by Adams Homes in Summer Glen. This community offers 3 to 4 bedrooms ranging from 1,512 to 1,900 square feet, all with brick fronts for a timeless style. And the amenities, Summer Glen has it all. A playground, serene nature views, barbecue grills, a pavilion, plus plenty of space for family gatherings or even a game of soccer. Summer Glen is the perfect place to call home. Let's take a look. If you would like more information about Adams Homes or would like to schedule a private tour, give me a call, 904-993-1628. I'd love to help you find your perfect home.